Welcome to my channel. Printer queue won't clear. Simple solution. Step 1. Open Printer Settings, open Windows Settings and go to Bluetooth Devices Printer Scanners. Find your printer and click on it. Step 2. Check the print queue, select Open Print Queue and look for any documents that are stuck, paused, or showing an error. Step 3. Cancel all jobs, click Cancel All to remove the pending documents. Wait a few moments and check whether the queue becomes empty. Step 4. Restart the printer, turn off the printer and unplug it for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in, turn it on, and check the queue again. Step 5. Restart your computer to refresh the printer connection. Once Windows starts again, try opening the print queue. Step 6. Restart Print Spooler, press Windows R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Print Spooler, right-click it, and select Restart. Step 7. Clear spooler files. If the jobs are still stuck, stop the Print Spooler service and remove the pending print files from the spool folder. Then start the service again. Step 8. Check the connection. For a USB printer, check the cable and USB port. For a Wi-Fi printer, make sure the printer is connected to the correct network. Step 9. Update the driver. Check whether your printer driver is outdated or corrupted. Install the latest driver for your exact printer model and restart the computer. That's it. Your printer queue should now be clear and ready to print. Thanks for watching.